There's really no story here. Basically, it's three old guys who wanted to ride from Atlanta to Birmingham and catch the train back.
All right, update. So I've been pushing my bike uphill for the last 30 minutes. This is fun.
It was right after this part that I started wondering about life choices and how I got here. We started at Leigh's house, where we grabbed pancakes, packed bags, and rolled from there. Traffic got a bit sketchy, so we bushwhacked an old rail line to bypass the city.
Made it to the Silver Comet Trail.
Once we crossed into Alabama, we made a quick stop to regroup, gaze at paper maps, and plan the route through the Talladega National Forest. Epic climbs lead to epic vistas, and the 3 days and 2 nights of riding came to an end too soon. We made it to the station in time and lugged our bikes and gear onto the train. Like I said, no story here, just 3 old guys, a bike ride, and a train.